Welcome. Today let's talk about the water we drink throughout the day, its benefits and quantity. Water is essential for human survival. It makes up over half of our body weight and is involved in nearly every bodily function, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Drinking enough water throughout the day is crucial for maintaining good health and well-being. The recommended daily intake of water varies depending on age, gender, physical activity, and climate. However, a general guideline is to drink at least 30 milliliters of water per 1 kilogram of body weight. For instance, a person weighing 70 kilograms should consume at least 2.1 liters of water per day. One of the primary reasons why water is so important is that it helps regulate body temperature. Our bodies produce heat as a byproduct of metabolism, which must be dissipated to maintain a healthy body temperature. Sweating is one way that our bodies release heat, and it requires water to be effective. When we're dehydrated, our bodies can't produce enough sweat to cool us down, which can lead to heat exhaustion or heat stroke. Water is also essential for digestion. It helps break down food and move it through the digestive tract, preventing constipation and other digestive problems. When we don't drink enough water, our stools can become hard and difficult to pass, leading to discomfort and potentially more severe issues like hemorrhoids. Another important function of water is that it helps transport nutrients and oxygen throughout the body. Blood is primarily made up of water, and it carries oxygen and nutrients to the body's cells. When we're dehydrated, our blood becomes thicker and more difficult to circulate, which can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and other symptoms. Water is also essential for the health of our skin. When we're dehydrated, our skin becomes dry, flaky, and prone to wrinkles. Staying hydrated can help keep our skin looking healthy and youthful. Dehydration can have several negative effects on our health. Mild dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and dizziness, while severe dehydration can lead to more serious conditions such as kidney stones, heat stroke, and even coma. Dehydration can also affect our cognitive and physical performance, causing us to feel tired, sluggish, and unfocused. It can also lead to urinary tract infections and kidney problems. Moreover, dehydration can affect our mood and emotional well-being. Studies have shown that even mild dehydration can negatively impact our mood, causing us to feel more irritable, anxious, and less able to concentrate. In conclusion, drinking enough water throughout the day is crucial for maintaining good health and well-being. By following the recommended guidelines of at least 30 milliliters of water per 1 kilogram of body weight, we can avoid dehydration and its negative effects on our body, mind, and emotions. Additionally, it's important to note that while water is the best beverage to stay hydrated, other fluids such as tea, coffee, and juice can also contribute to our daily water intake. Thank you, stay well and subscribe if you like the video.